Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how I find decent options trading opportunities with a trading call called Blackbox Stocks. So if that sounds exciting to you and you're excited to learn how I find decent options trading opportunities with this tool, why not smash the like button, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Sit back, relax and have a coffee and just enjoy the videos. I'll run through how this works and how we find decent options trading opportunities. So basically Blackbox Stocks is a trading tool for traders, you know, whether you trade stocks or options, and it gives you a whole suite of data that fundamentally allows you to spot trading opportunities and follow the money where all the trades are going. So I don't want this just to be a product review video. I just want to sort of show you how it works. Now, just in the full acts of honesty and transparency, I'm not an expert options trader, so I'm not great at technical analysis. So please excuse me if I butcher some things. So I've only been options trading for about a year, so I'm still learning, but I'm just going to show you some of the data that I look at to try and find decent trading opportunities. Now, one of the great things about this is a professional trading channel, which I'm going to turn on. This is great because all of the professional traders, part of the Blackbox Stocks team, they share as live messaging, and there's audio as well, so you can listen in to get trading ideas of what's working and what's not. And you might hear them talking in the background. Anyway, so how can we find some hot trading opportunities? So the first thing you can do to give you ideas are alerts. Now, Blackbox Stocks has alerts, which basically alerts you to unusual trading opportunity on options. So if we look at this option here for BAC, basically the system did an alert for that time for the 27 puts with an expiration of the 12th of May 2023. The alert came through for a premium of 0.39 per share, the high is 0.83, and a potential gain of 80, call that 81%. So whilst if you see these, you shouldn't just go out and go to your trading window and just place them. These just give you trading ideas, so you can go and do some further investigation to see if there's a good trade or not there. I mean, obviously these are all the alerts coming through. So that's at 81%. There's another one here. Let's have a look. Let's go down. One for Uber. 35 strike expiration 15th September 2023. The alert came for 262. The high is 276. That's break even. So basically you can use this as a guide to find interesting options trading opportunities that the system's flagged up that you can investigate further. This is a great tool. Let's have a look. So one of the most powerful features is the options flow. So you can hear the traders speaking. So basically with the options flow, this is basically all of the options contracts that are being placed on all of the options running through the various exchanges. And basically really what we're kind of looking for with the options flow, we're looking for sweeps, especially when they're in purple. They are aggressive trades where the trader placing the trade is really trying to get in aggressively. In fact, what I'm going to do, Tesla had a really interesting day yesterday. So you've got all sorts of data here. So what I'm going to do is just expand this and just have a look at Tesla 5-day chart. So basically yesterday, Tesla, the low was that it had a really good day. There was a lot of interesting trades coming in. I was watching it. I mean, Tesla yesterday, just after 12, was trading just below 160, and he went up to 165, and then it dropped again, and you can see all of your trades coming in. So if we look at the options flow here, these are all of the various options coming in for Tesla stocks as we speak. To show you, so this is the time a trade was made. So this is a 1-day trade, so 5th of May 2023, 157.5 strike price. It's a put, and this is the number of contracts they've taken out on this. So 1,729 is for the ask, and that's a block trade, so it's a big block trade, and the value of that trade paid in premium is $141,000.80. Here's a sweep trade. This is cool. So as we can see, it's Tesla. 5th of December. Sorry, 12th of May. It's going up for 165. This is a cool contract. 183 contracts for $60,400. So basically, what we're looking for are trends. I'm not an expert here, so basically what I've learned is you're basically looking for sweeps, particularly purple sweeps, because they're very aggressive trades. And basically, we're just kind of looking for aggressive trades in short order to pick up on any unusual, trading activity. And if we look here, we're just, obviously if you see lots of trades very close together, you always start with a bottom on these charts, and you see the premium slowly going up, and that shows you that a trader's making a sweep trade on this option for this stock, and that's a good indicator that something's going to happen. So basically what we're trying to do is follow the money of other traders so we can follow the momentum. So if we see a momentum swing, clear momentum swing where the stock's either going down or up, that gives us an idea. Basically the stock's going to move in a direction. That means we can place an option and then basically open a position. So this is giving you a snapshot of all of the different options contracts being open for Tesla, and you can do this for any stock. So the main things you want to do to find hot trading opportunities are the alerts. These are 2 more alerts come out for Tesla. So this is the 5th of May 2023. Expiry date, the 162.5 strike. Alert was $2 for the premium. Went up to 210, so it's down slightly. So you want to look at the alerts to sort of see unusual activity, trades that could be interesting. And then what you want to do is go to the flow and look for any interesting, any purple sweeps. These are good. These are very aggressive options trades. These are the things you want to kind of keep looking out for. So yeah, hopefully this is making sense, guys. I'm not a technical trader, but this is kind of like how I and other users use Blackbox Stocks, to find hot trading opportunities. Down here, these are this is the options flow. So most active calls today. So there's been 153 trades on Tesla with total value of 5.58 million. That's the premium paid. Most active puts. Again, Tesla. So there's been 111 trades with $7.36 million dollars in premium paid of all the contracts open. So you can get an idea here of the most traded options. Just because these are the most traded doesn't mean there's going to be doesn't necessarily mean something's going to happen. It's just showing you what the most traded and active stock is for or the options are for a particular stock. So that in a nutshell is how how I find hot trading opportunities, with Blackbox Stocks, and obviously listening to the all of the pro traders. You can listen in as you trade. Obviously this is someone communicating here, about their SPY trade from this morning, so you can get loads of trading opportunities and speak to the pro traders who are sitting in the Blackbox Stock Start trading room. So you're not alone. This isn't just a trading tool with all the data. This is a community as well. You get all of the, they do live webinars in here. There's class calendars, stock guide, options guides. You get full support. So basically, if you're looking for a really useful tool with a community to behind it, so you can become a successful options trader, then I would highly recommend Blackbox Stocks. And you can hear the traders in the background. So if you're interested in giving Blackbox Stocks a try, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to Blackbox Stocks down in the description. You can click on the link, have a read, and then you can join. They've got a monthly plan and an annual plan. If you're at all interested in options and you're looking for trade ideas, because at the end of the day, as options traders, the biggest problem we have is finding decent options trades. This is going to really help you because, you can listen to the community and you've got all of the data here, to basically make informed trading decisions. So yeah, if you want to try Blackbox Stocks, I'll leave a link down below. Definitely worth it. It's definitely helped me in my options trading journey, and I think it could help you too. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.